Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this iPhone. First of all, you need to open Settings. Then click on Sound and Haptics over here. Following that, click on one of those options under Sounds and Haptic Patterns, for example ringtone. Now select vibration at the top and click on the best vibration pattern for you. I will go with heartbeat. You can also select synchronized over here or disable vibrations completely by tapping on none. If you wish to, you can always click on create new vibration as well and create your own vibration pattern by tapping it over here. If you wish to stop it, you need to click on the bottom right corner. In order to listen to it, click on the bottom left one. You can stop it again by clicking on the bottom right one. If you decide that you wish to redo it, just click on the bottom right corner over here on record and create new pattern. Now select stop and click on save at the top right corner. Then name your pattern however you wish to. And hit save. Now, in order to apply it, you need to click on it. Then select top left corner. You can do that to all of those options: ringtone, new voicemail, or even calendar alert. Following that, scroll down and click on keyboard feedback. Now you can enable or disable vibrations for your keyboard by clicking on this gray sweater next to haptic. Then go back and click on those two switches next to play haptics in ring mode and play haptics in silent mode to switch them off or on. Lastly, you can manage system haptics by clicking on this green sweater below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!